So a lot of people usually do not know this about Python, but when you are creating a tuple, you would usually do something like this. You would create the variable name and then you will pass in the tuple. These, by the way, are the coordinates of the Vatican City. And it's a tuple. So what's wrong with this? Well, a lot of people think they are required to use parentheses to create a tuple. And it is important to note that it is not the parentheses that define the tuple, but the comma. The only time you do not need a comma is when you're creating an empty tuple. Otherwise, if you create a tuple where you usually have a single value, you will notice that once you print the type of this tuple, it's actually going to be interpreted as whatever type is inside of it. To fix this, all you need to do is add a comma here, and this will once again become a tuple. Now here in this cell, we are going to play a demonstration, show that you do not need parentheses to make a tuple. Congratulations, it's a tuple.